All right. I wanted to quickly just give a demo or a training and understanding of the capacity calculator I made up. It's real simple, real effective to try and help you determine your goal based off of your crew size, the amount of vehicles or trailers you'll be running throughout the season. If you see here, I have just weekdays only. If you were to work Monday through Friday, October 1st to December 15th, taking Thanksgiving off, there's a total of 53 days during those months. If you added Saturdays for the whole time during that period, you have 64 days. So 11-day difference. Realistically, you're not going to do 53 days. You have rain days, things that go over. It is possible to do that, but especially for the guys just starting out. And then here's the numbers down here, just in case you happen to change the numbers around, you're not sure what they are. I think for a company that's just starting out, it's trying to get into the crystal slide industry, or maybe the year two, year three. It's harder to get a full schedule on for the month of October. So just for the heck of it, let's go with 8 days on that. Let's just say we happen to have a couple of rain days or jobs that carried over in the month of November, and things really just slowed down in the month of December. So we went from 53 days to 33 days. Again, just trying to be realistic so everybody has a better understanding of the numbers. I like to start everybody out who is maybe doesn't have a lot of good training or a good understanding of the proper pricing and just getting into the industry. This is going to be their capacity per day with a two-man crew, $2,500. And here will help you set your goals for the month. So if we worked 8 days and we're able to accomplish $2,500 per day per two-man crew, we're at 20,000, 42, 20,000, which gives us a total goal for the season of 82,500. Now, had you had some proper training, better understanding of pricing, a little bit more aggressive, maybe you got a good brand, good reviews, and all that stuff, we're about $3,500 a day on our two-man crews. And you can see the big jump on that to up to $115,000. So we work 33 days, October, November, December, and a two-man crew was able to accomplish $115,000, which is a great number, six figures for somebody who's struggling through the winter months. So this is why it's important to get the training, because again, 2,500 from 3,500 brings you to 82, so almost $30,000 difference right there. If you were to add a three-man crew, I really do prefer the three-man crews. I think your capacity, well, I know your capacity increases, you're going to be more efficient, and you're not adding another vehicle. So if we add another three-man crew, let's just go conservative on that one and put one crew there. So we just bumped, just by adding one more person through the season to that three-man crew, we bumped our total goal to 50 or 165,000. So $50,000 increase for that one man. We're about 5,500, just to be realistic for our guys. So we're a big jump there. And then if you wanted to add some Saturdays into the mix, typically you're really only going to get them. I'd say I'm not in the Novembers. It's hard to get October Saturdays, but Novembers are good Saturdays. Guys want to get some extra overtime. Everybody wants to slice up before Thanksgiving, so it's a good time to earn some extra revenue. And let's just do this. So we'll go here, and I'll put the numbers here for you both, just so you can see the difference. So just by adding those 10 days, we jumped our revenue to $150,000 and 235. So if you happen to have two vehicles out there doing installs and you're on a two-man and three-man crew, you're almost at $300,000 working 33 days. So hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know. The only numbers you got to change are in B345, F345, C and D2, and C and D7, along with GH and GH over here. These are the only numbers you got to change. If you want to do two-man crews, you can see the difference there. And you can move it here too. So I hope this helps. Let me know.